In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take a screenshot on your web browser using a free Chrome tool. Now, you can obviously use some control, some keyboard shortcuts, but it doesn't work all the time. And it is very limited in what it can do. So I'm going to be using a free Chrome browser extension called Screen Capture. Now, for you to get this, simply search for awesome screen recorder and screenshot, and the first link is going to be it. And this is the one we are going to be using. You see, it has 3 million users and 28,000 ratings with an average of 4.7. You have to add it to Chrome, and then it's going to appear thus. Now, if I want to screenshot this page, I'm going to click on it, and I can do various options. I can screenshot the visible part. I think I'll just use another page. I'll just go to amazon.com. And it's asking me for this. A minute. UGNFBA. All right. So if I want to take a screenshot of this Amazon page, I'll just click on this screenshot icon, and then I can take a screenshot of the visible part. And just that visible part is screenshotted. And then I'm going to click on download. When you sign in, you are going to be presented with other options. You can make notes, you can make annotations. Let's just see. And you can present this or download this as a PDF. I'll just click on options, and then you can toggle the options here. You can change the various options. I'm going to just click on download, and then I can download it to my computer. Alternatively, I could take a screenshot of the full page. So it's going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. You see it's scrolling down to the bottom of the page, and it's taking a screenshot of everything. Now, you can see if I scroll, it's taking a screenshot of the entire page. If I come now and I want to screenshot maybe just this area, I'll click on that, and I'm going to click on selected area. I'll use this selector and select this particular area and click on capture. So you see just that area is screenshotted, and I can download it and use it for my particular designs which I desire. So this is how to take screenshots on your web browser, on your Chrome web browser, using awesome screenshot. If you got any value, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.